Laps quickly ticking away here. Ooh, Nick Janitis. Ooh, big time problems there in turns 3 and 4. Caution flag out. Looks like Christian Rose in the 42, Takuma Koga in the 7, and Nick Janitis in the 77 car, all getting wadded up over there in turn 3 and 4. And we saw Nick jump on the brakes. Those locked up the front tires. He had nowhere to go and just stacked it in there. There's a lot of damage to the back of the 42. The 7 of Takuma Koga already damaged. And you can see more damage on that number 7 car. And Nick Janitis in the 77 car with some damage as well.